Welcome to the Dino-Might Trivia Challenge. Hey there, future paleontologists. Get ready to journey back in time millions of years to the age of dinosaurs. Roam through lush forests, wade into prehistoric swamps, and soar through ancient skies. Our prehistoric planet is filled with fascinating creatures, waiting for you to discover their secrets. This trivia challenge will test your knowledge of these magnificent beasts. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the gentle giants like Brachiosaurus, we'll uncover fascinating facts about their lives, habits, and extinction. So are you ready to dig in and become a dino expert? Let's find out. Remember, have fun, take your time, and don't be afraid to make a guess. Every question is a chance to learn something new. Get ready for a roaring good time. Let's begin our journey through time with the Triassic period, the dawn of the dinosaurs. Our first stop takes us back a whopping 252 million years to the start of the Mesozoic Era. This era marks a pivotal chapter in Earth's history, a time when life on our planet began to take on forms that would eventually lead to the world we know today. This era, spanning over 186 million years, is subdivided into three periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each of these periods brought about significant evolutionary advancements and environmental changes that would shape the course of life on Earth. Each period witnessed the rise and fall of different dinosaur species, shaping the prehistoric world in unique ways. From the small, agile creatures of the Triassic to the gigantic, awe-inspiring giants of the Jurassic and Cretaceous, dinosaurs evolved to adapt to their ever-changing environments. The Triassic, lasting about 50 million years, was a time of incredible change. The Earth was recovering from the Permian-Triassic extinction event, the most severe extinction event in our planet's history, which wiped out nearly 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. The supercontinent Pangaea dominated the globe, and the climate was much hotter and drier than today. This vast landmass began to slowly break apart, creating new coastlines and habitats that would influence the evolution of life. It was during this time that the very first dinosaurs emerged, evolving from their archosaur ancestors. These early dinosaurs were relatively small and nimble, a stark contrast to the massive creatures that would come later. Imagine a world without flowering plants, where ferns and conifers ruled the land. The lush green landscapes we are familiar with today were non-existent, replaced by vast forests of towering conifers and sprawling ferns. Early dinosaurs, smaller than their later relatives, competed with other reptiles for food and territory. This competition drove the evolution of new adaptations, allowing dinosaurs to become more efficient hunters and foragers. This period set the stage for the incredible diversity and dominance that dinosaurs would achieve in the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. As the Triassic gave way to the Jurassic, dinosaurs began to diversify and grow in size, leading to the iconic species we are familiar with today. Get ready for your first trivia challenge. Let's see what you know about the dinosaurs of the Triassic period. Think about the unique characteristics and adaptations that allowed these early dinosaurs to thrive in a world vastly different from our own. What were their primary challenges, and how did they overcome them? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Triassic dinosaurs and test your knowledge. Now, it's Triassic trivia time. Question 1. Which of these dinosaurs was a fierce predator during the Triassic period? A. Stegosaurus, B. Triceratops, C. Coelophysis. Question 2. What was the name of the supercontinent that existed during the Triassic period? A. Laurasia, B. Gondwana, C. Pangaea. Question 3. What major group of flying reptiles first appeared during the Triassic period? A. Pterosaurs, B. Plesiosaurs, C. Ichthyosaurs. Think carefully and choose the answer you believe is correct. Once you've made your choices, move on to the next section to see how you did. The Jurassic period, spanning from 201 to 145 million years ago, is often considered the golden age of dinosaurs. As Pangaea began to break apart, new coastlines formed, and the climate became more humid, leading to lush rainforests and vast plains. This period witnessed the evolution of some of the largest animals to ever walk the Earth. Imagine towering Brachiosaurus, their long necks reaching for leaves high in the canopy, Picture herds of Stegosaurus, their plated backs shimmering in the sunlight, or the armored Ankylosaurus lumbering through the undergrowth. The Jurassic was a time of giants, and their reign continues to capture our imaginations. But the Jurassic wasn't just about size. It was also a time of incredible diversity. New species evolved to fill every ecological niche, from the depths of the oceans to the skies above. Section 5. Jurassic Jaws. Now let's test your knowledge of these Jurassic giants. Can you match wits with the dinosaurs that ruled this era? Get ready for another round of trivia. First question, which of these dinosaurs was the largest land predator of the Jurassic period? Was it A, Allosaurus, B, Spinosaurus, or C, Giganotosaurus? Next, what distinctive feature did Stegosaurus use for defense? Was it A, sharp horns on its head, B, bony plates along its back, or C, a powerful clubbed tail? And lastly, what type of plant did the long-necked Brachiosaurus primarily eat? Was it A, ferns, B, cycads, or C, conifers? Take your time, visualize the Jurassic world, and choose your answers wisely. The answers await in the next section. Section 6. Cretaceous Critters, the final act. The Cretaceous period, spanning from 145 to 66 million years ago, marks the final chapter in the dinosaurs' reign. The continents continued to drift apart, creating a wider variety of habitats and leading to incredible dinosaur diversity. Flowering plants evolved, adding splashes of color to the prehistoric landscape. This period was a time of both familiar faces and new arrivals. Tyrannosaurus rex, the fearsome predator of our imaginations, stalked its prey during the late Cretaceous. Triceratops, with its distinctive 3 horns and bony frill, roamed in herds. Velociraptors, smaller than their Hollywood counterparts, were agile hunters. However, the Cretaceous period ended with a cataclysmic event that wiped out the dinosaurs, along with many other plant and animal species. While their reign came to an end, their legacy continues to fascinate and inspire us today. Let's dive into the world of the Cretaceous period with our final round of trivia. Can you conquer these challenging questions? Which dinosaur is known for its massive frill and 3 horns, often depicted battling Tyrannosaurus rex? A, Triceratops, B, Stegosaurus, C, Ankylosaurus. What type of catastrophe is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs? A, a volcanic eruption, B, an asteroid impact, C, a global ice age. What type of bird-like dinosaur is known for its long claws and thought to be a close relative of modern birds? A, Compsognathus, B, Velociraptor, C, Archaeopteryx. Take your time, think back to what you've learned, and make your final selections. The answers and a final fun fact await. Fossils are the key to unlocking the mysteries of dinosaurs. These preserved remains, found embedded in rocks, tell us about the anatomy, behavior, and evolution of these prehistoric creatures. Paleontologists carefully excavate and study fossils, piecing together the puzzle of dinosaur life. From footprints to bones, teeth to eggs, each fossil provides valuable clues. By analyzing these remnants, we can learn about dinosaur diets, movement, social behavior, and even the environment they lived in. Fossils are like time capsules, transporting us millions of years back to walk in the footsteps of giants. Despite what you might see in movies, not all dinosaurs were gigantic, lumbering beasts. Some, like the Compsognathus, were as small as a chicken. And while many dinosaurs were fierce predators, many others were gentle herbivores, content to graze on plants. Another common misconception is that dinosaurs and humans coexisted. In reality, millions of years separated the last of the dinosaurs and the first humans. So, while we can't travel back in time to see them in person, fossils allow us to learn about these fascinating creatures and separate fact from fiction. Congratulations on completing the Dino-Might Trivia Challenge. You've tested your knowledge and delved into the fascinating world of dinosaurs. But the adventure doesn't have to stop here. There's always more to learn about these incredible creatures. Read books, visit museums, and never stop asking questions about the prehistoric world. Who knows what other secrets are waiting to be unearthed? Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep the spirit of discovery alive. The world of dinosaurs is vast and awe-inspiring, and there's a lifetime of exploration ahead.